Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangini. Welcome back to EVS class, children. Let us start today's session. Children, today also will continue the lesson number 7, plants around us. Children, we are discussing about different types of plants. Yes or no? Today we learn about climbers. Okay, children? Children, some plants have very weak and thin stems. We can break with that stems very easily. Okay, some plants have very weak and thin stems. These plants, they cannot stand and grow straight on their own. Okay, some plants have very weak and thin stems. They cannot stand. See, they need support. They cannot stand and grow straight on their own. For example, if you see the rose plant, that plant need any support? No, it can grow. Yes or no? On their own, they can stand and grow straight. Yes or no? But these plants are they have very weak and thin stems. They cannot stand and grow straight on their own. They need support. They need support to climb up. See, they need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Such plants are called climbers. Main qualities in children, they have weak stem. See, they have weak stem. Okay, thin stem, but they cannot stand and grow straight on their own. They need support to climb up. They need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Peas, grapes, and money plant are some of the climbers that we see around us. Okay, see, money plant is a climber, pea plant is a climber, bean plant is a climber. See, these are some examples. Okay, children, listen carefully to understand, children. Plants with weak and soft stems that need support of other plants, sticks, walls, etc., to grow straight are called climbers. Listen, plants with weak stem and soft stems that they need support of other plants. This plant needs support of other plants or sticks or walls, etc., to grow straight. They need some support. They need a stick or wall or some other plants, depend on other plants. They need some support to grow straight. That such a type of plants we are calling as climbers. They cannot stand erect on their own. They cannot stand and grow straight. Okay, children, climbers have tendrils to hold the support. These are tendrils. See, these tendrils are they are holding the support. Okay, climbers, see, stem tendrils help the plant to climb up a support. See, they need these climbers have tendrils. See, stem tendril. This is okay. Climbers have tendrils to hold the support. They are holding that support. Okay, children, see, this is leaf tendril, this is stem tendril. They are holding that support. Climbers have tendrils to hold the support. Climbers are soft and thin plants. They are long and have weak stems. Climbers are soft and thin plants. They are long and have weak stems. Climbers need support of other plants, a wall or stick, anything, etc., to grow straight. Climber plants have weak and soft stems. Okay, they need support to stand and grow. These are main qualities, children. Climbers main quality what? They cannot stand and grow straight. They need support. They have weak and thin stems. Okay, children. See, types of plant climbers. Climber plants have weak and soft stem. They have weak and soft stem. They need support to stand and grow straight. Okay, if they want to grow straight, they need support. Okay, see, here this plant is taking the bamboo stick support. See, yeah, see, stem tendrils, these tendrils, with the help of these tendrils, climbers have tendrils to hold the support. Okay, they are holding these tendrils are holding that support. Okay, children, let us remember the points. Okay, climbers, some plants have thin and weak stem. See, this plant, money plant, see, very weak and thin stem. They cannot grow straight. They cannot grow straight and need support to climb up. See, they need support to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. Such plants are called climbers. See, example for climbers, beans plant. See, they have very weak and thin stem. Okay, grapevine, pea plant. These all are examples for climbers. Okay, children, now we learn about creepers. Okay, creepers. Some plants creep on the ground. See, they creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. Again, listen carefully, children. Some plants creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have thin and weak stems. Like climbers, creepers also have very weak and thin stems. Okay, we call them creepers. Creepers main quality, what, children? They creep on the ground and spread their branches on the ground. Watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, strawberry, bitter gourd, muskmelon, grass are some examples of creepers. Grass is also example for creeper. Okay, children, did you understand? Creepers are the plants with soft stem. Creepers are the plants with soft stem. They can't stand erect on their own. Okay, they usually creep along the ground. These plants creep along the ground. Children, lifespan of creepers may be 1 year or long. Lifespan of creepers may be 1 year or long. Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Again, I am saying plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. These plants are spreading on the ground are called creepers. Creepers have weak stems. Okay, creepers plants have soft and green stem. Okay, they grow along the ground. What is the main quality for creepers? They creep on the ground. They spread their branches on the ground. Climbers, they need support to grow straight. Yes, and this is the difference between climbers and creepers. Okay, children, let us remember the points. Okay, creepers. Some plants creep or grow along the ground. Some plants creep or grow along the ground. They also have thin and weak stems. See the stems, children? We can easily break the stems. They also have thin and weak stem. They spread their branches on the ground. These plants spread their branches on the ground. They are called creepers. These plants we are calling as creepers because they are creep along the ground. We are calling the plants as creepers. Okay, children? Children, let us remember all the points what we learned up to now in this lesson. Okay? Very big plants are called trees. Very big plants, children. Remember, very big plants are called trees. They have a hard and thick stem. Trees only have hard and thick stem called trunk. Okay, tree stem you are calling as trunk because tree stem is very hard and thick. They have a hard and thick stem called trunk. Okay, children. Next, smaller plants are called shrubs. Smaller plants are called shrubs. They have strong woody stem. The shrubs have strong woody stem. Okay. Next, very small plants are called herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. They have weak and green stem. Herbs have weak and green color stem. This is the main important point, children. Herbs have weak and green stem. Very small plants are called herbs. They have weak and green stem. Okay, children. Next, some plants have thin and weak stem. Some plants have thin and weak stem. They cannot grow straight and need support to climb up. Okay, that plants need support to climb up. That plants we are calling as, shouldn't say, climbers. Some plants have thin and weak stem. They cannot grow straight and need support to climb up. That plants we are calling as climbers. Okay, children. Next one. Some plants creep or grow along the ground. Some plants creep or grow along the ground. They spread their branches on the ground. These plants spread their branches on the ground. That plants we are calling as, say, what are the plants? Creepers. That plants we are calling as creepers. Okay, we learn in this lesson about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay, children. Children, now I'll give you one assignment. This is today's assignment. Draw and color money plant and bitter gourd plant pictures. Draw this picture, children. Draw neatly, colorfully and send. Okay, children. Draw money plant and bitter gourd pictures. Okay, children. Thank you, children.